What's up, guys? I am just doing some spring cleaning today, putting the snow blowers away, putting my snowboards away, and just kind of cleaning the garage up so I have extra room. So yeah, let's get going. See what we can find. Hey guys, so my friend Matt had come over to my house like months back and he totally forgot his phone charger. I never got it back to him, but today I finally will. He gets off at 5, so I'm heading there right now. So yeah, stay tuned for that. See you guys.
What's up?
There you go.
Thanks, man.
Hey guys, thanks for watching today's vlog. I know it was probably boring because I just cleaned out my closet and... Did I really just say closet? I meant garage, guys. Gave Matt his phone cord, but hopefully you guys liked it. Stay tuned for next week's. It'll be a lot more fun. Have a good week, guys. Peace.
Listen now, it's clear.